How to make the perfect fried egg. Take one. It's easy. I do it all the time. Come on over. But I've heard people lately saying, how do you make a perfect fried egg? And one time somebody commented on my video when I made breakfast and said the eggs were real good looking. And they were. It's easy. Come and watch me. Okay, so I got some bacon cooked ahead here. Got my nice new non-stick type of pan. Any kind of pan will do. I had one with a white. This kind, the white kind, you know. Just the technique here. Not about non-stick. Well, non-stick helps a lot. This is just how I do it, and I've been doing it since I was a teenager. Pan's kind of warm. Get your butter melted in there about that much. I do 2 or 3 eggs, but I'm going to do 2 right now. Let that melt down pretty good. Don't get it burnt though. Just keep an eye on it. I have the burner on about medium-high. So it's almost all the way melted. You could probably even get rid of that chunk, but I like it. I want 2 eggs. Unless we get lucky and have a twin in here. Careful. Am I psychic or what? You want to see a twin perfect egg? I'll cook that twin perfect egg. Or should I put a second one in? Would you like 3?
Maybe you'll get another double.
No. Okay. Well, this is my secret. Now I'm turn down the heat a little bit, to a little over medium, and put a lid on top. Little faint, see? Bacon's done. I love the bacon. I just want to eat that right now. Look at it. Woo! Take a bite. This only takes a couple minutes. Move them around a little bit so they don't stick. What do you think of that twin? Okay. Put the lid on. It's gonna be good. It might not look perfect because there's 3 there, but what do you think? It was lucky. Wasn't I lucky to get twins in there? Imagine how perfect it would look without that double there, huh? Anyway, it's gonna be good. Put the lid back on. Alright, look it. See, I like how they get pink on the top there. 2 more minutes. That's how I like my eggs. Kind of over easy without flipping at all. Buttery. What else I got here? Remember? A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper for you, if you like it. Turn that coffee back on. Oh yeah. Ooh, get out of there. Oh, I pierced the yolk. My perfect eggs with a magical twin inside there. You love that. I could make a mess and let you watch me eat it. Want me to pose for a photo with that? There you go. Where yolk? Like it like that? Oh! The yolk's on me. Oh, it's delicious. Ooh. Are you still there? What are you laughing at? I'm gonna make 2 more real quick and see how I really make them perfect. Well, like that twin kind of goofed us up, you know? But watch this. Quick and easy here. 2 more perfect eggs. Got some more butter melted. Perfect egg. Perfect egg. Heat's on medium high. Be back in 2 minutes. 2 minutes. If you like salt and pepper, put that on now. If you want. Put your lid back on. See it sliding around nice. Alright. See that? That's how I like them. If you leave them a little longer, they'll cover up on top. They'll turn pink. These are like sunny side up. Over easy without flipping them. However you like. Buttery. Look at the butter. I like the butter. Butter makes it better. My stunt toast. My standby bacon. Oh, he's smiling at me. Yes, I'm happy too. Voila! Let me stick the toast in there. That's how you like it, right? You like it like that? Yes. How to make the perfect egg. Get your pan warm. Put some butter or oil in there. Not too much. Or extra if you like it like me. And remember, the lid is pretty much the secret. I think so. Ooh. That's good. You know how to make bacon. In frying pan. Microwave, oven, I know, everywhere. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching me make and eat my perfect eggs for breakfast. Alright, I'll talk to you soon. Please subscribe. See ya.